Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to use Remote Play on Steam to play with friends. Start by opening up Steam. Next, go to Steam in the top left corner and choose Settings. After that, click on Remote Play in the Settings menu and enable it. You can also adjust some more settings for Remote Play here, but that is not necessary to play. When enabled, open up the game you would like to Remote Play on and supports Remote Play. For the sake of this tutorial, I bought Overcooked 2. When your game has opened up, open up the Steam overlay by pressing Shift and Tab at the same time. Now you can invite friends by clicking on this controller icon. You can also, however, play with non-friends by giving them a guest link. When you invited a friend or guest, you can enable and disable their keyboard and/or mouse. And if you and the rest play with controllers, you can select who's player 1 and who's player 2, etc. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.